In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Windows 11 installation media in your USB. Head to Windows 11 installation on your favorite browser and you should pop up something like this. Make sure that you logged in your account and head for the second link. As you can see, create Windows 11 installation media. You can create and reinstall clean Windows 11 on a new PC or used PC by downloading it into USB or DVD. I suggest that you at least have a 16 gigs USB and you will be good to go. Click download now. When you click download now, you're going to find your download starter. Click on it and then click on yes. Right here, you will be prompted with this page. In this page, you're going to find the following. Also, before you begin, make sure that said you have good internet connection, you have storage, you have a minimum of 8 gigs for DFD, and as I said, 16 for USB. It's just advised. You also ensure that your PC you want to install Windows 11 has a 64-bit CPU. You can check that by going to this PC, click on or right click, go to properties, and you will find the right information about your PC in this section. As you can see right here, 64-bit operating system. After this, you can also meet the system requirements, which are, at least 4 gigs and at least 2.8 gigahertz for your CPU. Make sure to go to your folder of the media creation tool, run it as administrator, as that's how you can make it work if it doesn't work. Go ahead, accept the request, then you are gonna choose your USB. After choosing your USB, all you're gonna have to do is click on next couple of times and you'll be good to go. After doing so, as I said, you're gonna select the language, the edition, and then you're gonna select where are you needed to install. Here, if you need to learn in DVD, which I don't really suggest, it's just a pain in. Click on next, then you're gonna see this taking a few seconds. And then if you had in USB, you'll be able to choose it, choose and next and wait a couple of hours and it will be good to go. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really find it helpful. After doing this, all you have to do is plug the USB and I will show you how to download Windows 11 in another video.